users and groups, you need to go to the control panel, also called the admin panel. And to do that, you go up to your wiki. You actually have to change the URL and type in admin at JSPWiki. Just like that, admin/ADMIN.JSP. The capital A is important. That will take you to administration, as they call it. Control panels, also the common word. Once you're to this page, to add users, you click on the user tab. And it's very important that you do not fill in these things. If you start filling in these things right now as Joe, and then you save it, it's not going to work. So the first thing you have to do is you have to push the add button. And then you see that new. Now you can put in Joe, and you can put his password in, and you should make it nice and long. And then you can put his full name in, Joseph Smith Hansen, and then you can need to add an email if you want. Once you have that, you push the save button, and it goes back to the main page. Look at users, and there's Joseph Hansen Smith. To make groups, you go to the group section, and there's no button that says make new group. So you just click on any group, and it brings up the group page and a list of the groups, and you can create a new group. So you can say new group, and then you can tell it the members. So we'll put Joe in there. You can put the user's name in, or you can put his full name in, and you save the group. And now you have a new group, and Joe's in this. Groups can be used in your ACL, so that you could make an ACL that only allows Joe to edit that page. With that said, admin can edit any page. To get back to your main page, you go up to the URL again, and you get rid of everything except the JSPWiki, and you're back to your main page. And then, for example, with the new group, we could edit this page and allow new group also to be editors. And there it is, new group. Click on it. Oh, and it changed it. So I needed a comma before the editors. But the idea is you can pick groups, and you can have multiple groups. So you can say both new group and admin can edit this page. Then you save your work, and you now new people can edit this page, or these groups can edit this page. And remember, you don't have to add admin, because admin can edit any page. If this is a site that we helped you put together, then there will be an admin, capital A, links page. And the interesting thing on that page is we have a place for the control panel user, and it says fix this user. So if we edit this page, we see that the link is question mark, and typically you need to put the proper URL in here for your site so that you can jump right to that admin page we were looking at. So that's how you would change that, so you can jump to your page. Notice that there's not much in here. So one of the nice things we do is we do hides to document our pages. All right, so there's not much in here right now, but the reason there's not much in here is because this page is meant to be used as an insert page somewhere else. for example, if we log out of here and we log back in as Joe, an interesting thing that happens is when you're signed in like this, it says, "Good day, Joseph," and you're authenticated, means you're signed in. And if you click on that, it makes a page for you. That's your personal page, and you can just create it by saying "create," and then you can put in the ACL. It says allow edit, and then we'll allow edit either new group, or I can just say just me, Joe. Now only Joe can edit this page, and admin. And then, since I'm going to be an admin, I can also insert capital I, capital G, space, PAG equals admin.links, and close that up. And there it is. Now I save this, and my own personal page inserted that page right there. And I can now have those links and be able to go and edit. I can do the control panel. I can edit the left and the right menu. I can make this decision on the copyright, and I can do these different things. And let's go back to edit. And you can put as much before that and after that as you want. My page, like that. Here are some other notes, and there you go. There's tons to learn from the JSPWiki page on formatting.